Launch. Don't worry, just watch the PSI charging.
Not higher than 50, mister.
Why not? What's the bike? Alright, there it is. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Any idea where it is?
Yeah, it's about probably 100 yards from the hill. On the, or hit the trees. Probably right in line with that big hill right there.
Okay, try not to kill anybody.
Aim it over there then. We're gonna aim it down the road. Just over at the big hill. See if we can see where it lands.
Go for it. Don't push it too far down this time. There you go. Good. See, I don't think I need you to watch the PSI gauge because I can hear it.
When did you build this, Cameron, originally?
3 years ago.
3 years later, it still works.
Why didn't you build a launch stand? Why are you using my chair?
We weren't that into it.
It's cheaper to just use a chair, Dave.
It's cheaper to just use a chair. Yeah.
It hit something.
It hit something. Hopefully there's not a house.